For over 30 years, Eemax has built its reputation as the leader in tankless electric hand washing. Today, Eemax offers an extensive portfolio of innovative hand washing solutions that are designed, engineered, and assembled in the United States of America. Our hand washing portfolio delivers safe and endless hot water on demand and consists of 3 distinct families: LavAdvantage, AccuMix II, and FlowCo. Each of these tankless electric water heaters can be mounted in any orientation at the point of use, and with just a single input water line required for installation, consumers save in both labor and material costs. The entire hand washing portfolio is equipped with Safe Start technology to help avoid dry fire damage, and has self-diagnostics with intelligent controls to actively protect the heater in the installed environment. Temperature stability is maintained with our proprietary active energy management and power modulating controls. Our hand washing heaters are field adjustable to ease troubleshooting and compact in size to fit almost anywhere. LavAdvantage supports multiple sensors or metering faucets and is a thermostatic tankless electric water heater featuring silent operation and an industry-leading low-flow activation of just 0.2 gallons per minute across the entire product line. LavAdvantage is recommended for hand washing applications in a lavatory, kitchen, bar, or utility sink, and may also support other variable and fixed flow applications. LavAdvantage features a digital LED display for an easily navigated user interface and communicates system status and operation feedback. AccuMix II is a thermostatic tankless electric water heater with an integrated ASSE 1070 rating mixing valve. Factory set with an outlet temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit, AccuMix II is an ideal solution for UPC 407.3 compliant public hand washing. Additionally, AccuMix II can support kitchen, bar, and utility sinks employing multiple sensor or metering faucets at variable flows. FlowCo is a non-thermostatic tankless electric water heater that is perfect for a single sensor faucet or metering faucet as well as other fixed flow applications. FlowCo features InfoQ, a visible LED indicator which communicates system status and operation feedback via solid lights or blinking patterns. Eemax hand washing products demonstrate our commitment to sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and responsible manufacturing. Eemax tankless electric water heaters are a zero greenhouse gas emission solution which can reduce your carbon footprint to help meet net zero goals. For hand washing applications, installing tankless electric water heaters at the point of use eliminates long pipe runs and standby heat loss, making your water heating solutions more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Exceeding expectations, Eemax hand washing portfolio delivers energy-efficient hand washing with safe, endless hot water that supports a multitude of applications in schools, restaurants, factories, hospitals, and more. Eemax, evolving hot water.